Hello guys, this is again the only hata in here. After my live show guys, of course I am hungry and my favorite snack is the banana. It's Banana Queen and of course your tissue queen. Now let's gonna eat this banana with this Hershey's syrup. OMG! Are you excited? I'm excited too. So let's start. Alright, let's start. My favorite snack. So guys, what I have here is of course a plate. So in that way, I don't want to have a lot of mess. So right now, again, the Hershey's. So what I'm gonna do is pour this in here. Oh my gosh. Oops. Did you see this one, guys? It's a lot. Oh, it's dripping. Alright, let's go. Second batch. Here. Mess here. Last Subo, okay? I need to drip a lot in here. Right here, guys. OMG! OMG, I'm done! Again, this is the only tissue and banana queen! Please hit the red button and of course bell me all nice. In that way, you'll be here on my next banana challenge. Comment down below guys if you want me to eat in your own way of this banana. Bye for now. I love you all. Bye.